supposed to be. Might be as elusive as it's close to me. She's been feeling further than a memory. How we're supposed to be. Might be as elusive as it's close to me. She's been feeling further than a memory.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvie if you're new here, and this is a new vlog. Today is September 15th. I have quite a few errands to run. The first one being that I just completed. I went and got my car serviced, so that's where I just came from. And then since it's in the same neighborhood, I'm going to get my toes done. I do my own hands now, although I haven't done anything to them in a while, but I do get my feet still done. So I'm going to get a pedicure here at Nails of America, and then later on, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get into, but I do have some content to shoot or film. Yeah, so we'll see how the day goes. I'm in the neighborhood that I usually frequent quite a lot, so it's a lot of things that a lot of places that I frequent. And so I may, just hop here and there to get things done. So yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. You're already here, so why not? And while you're at it, hit that notification bell as well, so you're notified once I upload, or every time I upload content. All right, so see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, it's the next day. It is Saturday, and so when I got my car serviced yesterday, it rained and I didn't get my car washed, so I'm headed to Audi again to get that car washed. So that is where I'm driving to right now. We're gonna get that done, and then I'm gonna hit up Victoria's Secret, see what's up there, and maybe grab a lunch or something like that, or let's see what else I get into. So it's Saturday. I'm child free today, so we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. All right, stay tuned. She's been feeling further than a memory.
be as close.
Kind of like this color. The seats are beautiful. Yeah. I don't think I could see myself in an SUV though. Yeah. I don't think I like SUVs at all. Well, at least not yet. I never wanted to get like a van because I despise vans with my whole being. I still don't want to lose the fun and youthful side of myself, so yeah, I still prefer a sporty fast car. Yes. Anyway, so I'm waiting for the wash, waiting till they're done exploring. There's like nothing happening here, and they're doing a lot of construction here, so everything looks so different. And yeah, just really not exciting to be at the dealership right now. I also I have some work to do. I have like a presentation on Monday I still have not finished, and so I'll probably take some time this afternoon while my baby's away to get that completed, finished up. Yeah, just so I'm very prepared for Monday at work. If I get done at a reasonable time, I may just get dolled up and step out tonight. Who knows? We shall see. Anyway, I'm gonna see y'all in a bit.
cannot believe you, 'cause I still wanted to get inside your mind. I needed someone who makes me feel I'm craving something different. Someone new, and I don't wanna talk, babe, don't think too much, just like that. And we can ride through the night, yeah. I've been waiting for some ocean. I know you got what I like, yeah. I've been waiting for somebody, somebody like you, somebody like you, somebody like you, like you, somebody like you. I needed someone who makes me feel I'm craving something different. Someone new, and I don't wanna talk, babe, don't think too much, so just like that. And we could ride through the night, yeah. I've been waiting for some motion, I know you got what I like, yeah. I've been waiting for somebody, somebody like you, somebody like you, yeah. Somebody like you, like you, yeah. If you wanna get under my covers, boy, you know what you should do. I'm not one to treat you like a lover. Why am I missing?
Alright, so this is what my outfit of the night looks like. This skirt is from Amazon. The whole outfit is from Amazon. Earrings, Bottega dupes. Okay, Bottega dupes from Amazon. Shoes. Shoes. These are the shoes that I'm wearing. They're from Who What Wear. Yeah. Be comfortable tonight, and I just pinned my braids to the top. Like a half bun. And yeah, for jewelry, I'm going to do this bracelet from Madewell. Same stuff every time. I'm gonna add another one. Gonna add this one too. You can barely see it. Okay. Okay, like that. Need to get some lotion. I'm using this Osea body oil. If you don't have it, you got to get on this. I have the code in the description box for 10% off. And I'm also layering it with the body lotion as well. The EMNORA collagen body lotion. Yeah. Get that. Here's the link in the description box for 10% off. Or you could use also code Sylvie10. I'll put it right here, Sylvie10. Use the code instead, Sylvie10 at checkout, and you'll get 10% off. See that? See how shiny that looks. That is like my favorite body oil. Spread it all around. Yes. All right. And that is the whole fit, y'all. And the purse I'm carrying is this one. Amazon. The whole outfit is Amazon. Come through, Amazon. And everything is linked, obviously, in my storefront. So go check it out. See y'all later.